So yes, you all, this is my Dollar General haul. Now, I just got, I would say 95% of the items out my car because these has been in my car from going to different stores catching these deals. So, stranger to this, you all know this is what, 90% off at Dollar General? Yes. So I see a lot of people, they were leaving this Studio Collection men's body wash and lotion behind. I don't know why, because they were 40 cents. I'm not 50, 90% off. These were all ringing up 40 cents. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. These are Studio Collection for women. I think this is the lotion and the body mist. These were also 40 cents. I found 3 of those. This Citrus Sparkle gift set, this was $1. These Axe gift set that we were getting at Walmart a couple months ago for $4.99 and free. Some got it for $2.49. These were $1. These were $1. I got 3 of those, 1, 2, and here is a third one. That Paw Patrol bath time activity set, that was normally $10. This was $1. I found one. I found one of the Frozen. That was also $1. Not $1. Yeah, those were $1. Normally $10. This LOL, whatever, 2 surprise scents. These were 50 cents. These are Frozen gift sets. These were 50 cents. I wish I had more LOL because a lot of kids are into LOL. I don't know why, but a lot of kids are into LOL. Let's come over here. These are 2-piece body lotion. These were, what was this, 25 cents? Yeah, these were 25 cents. And guys, don't forget to check for penny items also. I'm going to show you some items that I got for a penny. Let's see. These tumblers, I found 3 of them. These were, let me see what the price is on this. These were 50 cents. I found 3 of those. This, what is this? Hugs and Kisses. I don't know what that character is. This was 10 cents. This gift set right here. This is Apple. This is a Studio Collection Apple Scent. This was 40 cents. This is a lotion and the body wash. This was 40 cents. Let's come back. Let's see. This Solar Dancing character. This was 10 cents. There was a lot of 10-cent items that were left behind. I took them up because these items are good to put into your mug baskets. These signs that's in the shape of a heart with donuts. I have 3 of them. These were 10 cents. It's squishy toys. These were 10 cents. This Hello Love sign. I have several of these little signs. These were 10 cents. Here is a few here. Some says be mine. These were 10 cents. These that says hugs and kisses. These were also 10 cents. There's a lot of those little items. I got 2 of these cotton candy. What is this? Lip balm. This was 20 cents. This one, the Mountain Dew. This was 20 cents also. I got this tray. Let me put it down and see if you guys could see it. This tray, it's like, you could put this in your bathroom, wherever you want to put this. This was 50 cents. This one will look red, but it's not red, it's pink. The $5 is in pink. There it is, Valentine's Day. This was 50 cents. I found one of that. What else? Okay, this Stetson for men. This is a 2-piece. I thought this would ring out a penny, but these were ringing up $1 because it have the yellow sticker on there. I thought it would be a penny, but this was ringing up $1. I don't mind. There is a barcode. Okay, these Wild Earth 4-piece men's lotion. What is in here? Shower gel, mist, hand cream, body lotion. These were normally $10. These were $1. I have 2 of those. Okay, these Vivitar Simply Beautiful bed slippers. This is in the size medium 7-8. This is actually my size. This was only $1. These, I wouldn't say Disney character. You have Paw Patrol, you have Elmo, you have Baby Shark. Which other one do I have? Yeah, I have 2 Baby Shark, 2 Paw Patrol, and 1 of the Elmo. These are body wash. These were normally $1. These were 10 cents. Let me show you all the barcode. You could tell because it have that purple sticker on the side. What else? Okay, these body, you have the lotion, which is right here. This is in the scent Cozy Cabin. And guys, I didn't expect these to smell so good. They actually smell good. So I have the lotion, I have the body wash, and I have the body spray in that scent. This one is a frosted apple. I have the body wash, I have the lotion, and I have the body spray. This is in the Harvest Spice. This one is a Harvest Spice. I have the body spray, the body wash, and the lotion. These were all 30 cents each. Yeah, 30 cents each. So if you see this, don't leave it. These nail file set, these are 6 pieces. These were from Christmas. Well, no, not Christmas. This, actually, I'm not even sure. Actually, these actually rung out a penny. Even though it have the purple sticker on it, but this was from Christmas. These rung out a penny. Don't let that purple tag fool you. These were Christmas items, so those were a penny. Oh, I forgot to show you the Olay. This is the Olay. I've been eyeing these from, they were there when it was supposed to be 50% off, and Dollar General did not put them at 50%. So I was eyeing these, but I was able to score one of this for $1. That was good. Let's see. This little bear. This little plush, this was 35 cents. What else? Okay, I have this love sign, not love sign, but hearts. This was $1. This was normally, let me show you guys. This was normally $10, so these were $1. I have, I believe, 6 of those. I took only 1 to show you all. The rest is in my car. Oh, I didn't show you all this love sign. This was actually 50 cents. I purchased a few of those. I also have this EXO with the heart sign. This was $4. So this was 40 cents. I have several of those. Let's see what else we got. Okay, as I said, don't forget to check for the penny items. Let me show you some stuff that I got for penny. This is the Christmas Santa sock. This was normally $3. These were a penny. These 50 feet garland, these were all a penny because these are the Christmas items. I have a few of them here and I have some in another box. So don't forget to look for those. Those are a penny. Also these, let me see if I could put it here. Okay, that's a ceramic vase. Let me show you all the barcode. Here's the barcode for this. It says S2022. This was a penny. And I found 4 of these. I found 2 in the white. And I have 2 in the black. And I'm going to use these and make Mother's Day. I'm going to make something for Mother's Day in this. Because, you know, moms, you could use this to make, to plant flowers in or whatever. So, or, you know, use it as a, well, it cannot be used as a vase. It cannot be used as a planter because it doesn't have anything at the bottom for drainage. Let me see what's the name of it. Let me see what it says. For decoration only, hand wash only. So which means you could use this and use it as a vase. This is not a planter, this is a vase. So I'm going to put something, maybe some floral arrangement for Mother's Day. What else do I have? I have quite a few things, y'all. I thought I wasn't able to get anything because everybody and their mama has been into Dollar General. And to tell you the funny thing about it, I didn't know Dollar General hit 90% off when it did, because I had gone there. No, I was planning on going there that Monday. I was planning on going there Monday, and I was like, you know what? Normally when Dollar General is going to do anything, it's on a Tuesday, so why go Monday? And I'm like, if I go Monday and find anything and purchase it, and then Tuesday it hits whatever percentage, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to wait. And it's a good thing that I waited and did not go Monday. I went Tuesday, and actually I got these in one, because where I work, there's one Dollar General there. I got most of them at that store. Then on my way home, I went to 2 more Dollar Generals, and I got a few items, but the majority I got that from the first store I went to. So if you all are still out there, don't give up. Just walk right around the store, because there's a lot of people who put stuff in places you wouldn't dream of that they will put it. Yeah, people put stuff everywhere. They might pick it up, think it's, you know, $4, and be like, I'm not gonna pay $4 for this, or I'm not gonna pay $10 for this. I'm not gonna pay $12 for this. The thing that I wanted that was for $12, I think it's a set that have, is it a slippers? I forgot what was in that gift set, but that gift set was, I believe, $12. It was still ringing up $12, even though it had a purple sticker on it. So I guess Dollar General is holding out until Mother's Day. I don't know, but I'm gonna continue to check to see if that special item, I think is it a slipper in it, and a body wash and a hand cream, something to that effect. The colors, I know those were from Christmas. One of them, the container is green, and the other container, I think it's like a brown tannish container, something to that effect. So yes, you all have rambled long enough, so I'm gonna hop off here, but just, you know, show you guys some of the items that I found at Dollar General. So if you guys are still out there, don't give up. Still go, still scan, make sure your phone is fully charged, scan items, because there was, oh my goodness, there's something else I found at Dollar General. Hold on 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that, you all. These pom-pom pens, these are actually, were these a penny? Were these a penny, or were these, I think these were a penny or 10 cents. I'm not sure, y'all. Let me show you all the barcode. It's either a penny or 10 cents, guys. I don't remember. Now, I happen to just scan this tray. This one says welcome spring. The other said just breathe. Let me show you all the barcodes. Let me see what it says under here. S 2022. Scan it right now. These were ringing up 1 cent. And I got 4 of them. Two that says welcome spring, and 2 that says just breathe. These were a penny. So I'm going to use these for Mother's Day, like maybe a spa basket or something for Mother's Day. So be on the lookout, guys. As I said, don't forget, Any items that you see that, because this is a spring item, now they're coming out with, they haven't even gotten over Easter. So you would not see this thing out yet. So if you see these, just scan it and see what it says. And let me know if you guys score some, all right? Take care, you all, and I catch you in another video. Bye.